are not having a bad time, actually.
Happy birthday. And then they're...
You are...